One, centrally acting sympatholytic drugs. Centrally acting sympatholytic drugs, for example, there are two drugs, clonidine and methyl-dopa, but the mechanism is somewhat different. Not all. A small difference will be there in between this and this. Let's see. So this is a clonidine. So what happened? This act on brain. In that brain, we know medulla is present. Centrally acting means CNS. So it acts on CNS. In CNS, it includes the brain and spinal cord. So this will act on the brain. In that, there are three types in brain: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So in that, it acts on hindbrain, in which medulla is present. This medulla is present. Okay, let's see how it will act. So this is a clonidine. This acts by stimulating the adrenergic alpha-2 receptors. So what happened? These drugs will stimulate what? Alpha-2 adrenergic receptors, which was present in vasomotor center. Where the vasomotor centers are present? It was present in medulla oblongata. Okay, this medulla, where the medulla is present? In brain, simply CNS. CNS, centrally acting sympatholytic. Okay, thereby it reduces the sympathetic outflow and non-adrenaline. It releases to the leading to the decrease in BP. So what happened if the clonidine? It stimulates the adrenergic alpha-2 receptor, which was present in vasomotor center. This vasomotor center is of medulla. So what happened? Here it decreases the sympatholytic outflow and non-adrenaline, which automatically decreases in BP. Okay. Next one, adverse drug reactions like hallucination, drowsiness, constipation. Next, orthostatic. Next, orthostatic hypotension, meiosis, gynecomastia. Next here, hallucination means it is an experience involving the apparent perception of something not present. Okay, if there is nothing, but they will feel there is something. Okay, that is called hallucination, which was not present, they feel that is present. Okay, next one, drowsiness means sleepiness. Example, constipation, a person who passes less than 3 bowel movements a week. Okay, has difficult bowel movements, that is called a constipation. Next, orthostatic hypotension means low BP. Static means movement. So here, while sitting, while standing, while sleeping, while lying down, they feel low BP. So that is called a orthostatic hypotension. Next, meiosis means excessive constriction of pupil of the eye. Constriction of pupil is called meiosis. The gynecomastia means enlargement of the men's breast, usually due to the hormone imbalance or hormone therapy. Hormone changes in men, it may cause. Okay. Next one, hypertension. These these are all the adverse drug reactions. By using this drug, it may occur. Okay. Next one, uses of centrally acting sympatholytic drugs. In clonidine, it was used for hypertension, migraine means severe headache, Tourette syndrome means it was a nervous system disorder involving a repetitive movement. Okay, unwanted sounds like that. ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Means what happened? It was a chronic condition. It included the attention difficulty, hyperactivity, impulsiveness. Means what? For example, it often begins in children. It can persist into the adulthood. Difficulty in school and work. In any attention, they feel difficult. Okay, it is simply called attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Okay. Next, the doses we use of clonidine. Initial dose is 0.1 mg once a day, and next it increased to 0.3 mg by oral route. So first of all, they will prescribe the low dose, then the increases 0.1 to 0.3 mg. according to the patient condition. Next, methyl dopa. What the methyl dopa will do in our body means, how it shows its mechanism of action means, here in this methyl dopa there is the active metabolite of drug. So in this, the active metabolite of drug is alpha methyl norepinephrine. So what happened, this act by stimulating alpha 2 receptor. Same, this also act by stimulating what, alpha 2 receptor only. Okay, in vasomotor center of the medulla, and thereby decrease non-adrenaline release leads to in the fall in BP. So same function, but it will act directly on alpha 2 receptor by stimulating adrenergic alpha 2 receptor. But here in this drug there is a metabolite like alpha methyl norepinephrine. This is also same, by act by stimulating alpha 2 receptor. Same mechanism of function. Okay, here adverse drug reactions like sedation, dry mouth, next depression, next constipation, next gynecomastia means due to the hormonal changes the breast will increase in the men. So impotent. So next one, impotent. Impotent means erectile dysfunction. Okay, in men. Next, Parkinsonism. Parkinsonism means if in our body the dopamine level will be decreases. It is a disorder of CNS, means central nervous system. This affect the movement often include tremors. The nerve cells will be damaged in the brain because dopamine level decreases. So if the dopamine level decreases, it leads to, if the dopamine level will be decreases, it leads to the symptom of Parkinsonism. Okay, this is called Parkinsonism. Okay, in shortcut, if the dopamine level will be drop in the brain, then it causes Parkinsonism. So here the uses are, it used in the treatment of moderate to severe hypertension in combination with the diuretics. Okay, this is also used for the kidney problems. If they have kidney problems, a patient who have kidney problems and also a hypertension, this drug will be prescribed, methyl dopa. Next, the dosage is 250 mg BID, means twice a day, gradually on increased to 500 mg by oral route. So this is all about the methyl dopa and clonidine. Mechanism of action is same. It acts on the medulla, which contains a vasomotor center. In that vasomotor center, it acts by stimulating the alpha 2 receptor. It's simple about a central acting sympatholytic drugs. Okay, here the two examples, clonidine and methyl dopa.